Sequence versioning was introduced in SoundCheck 22 to help track changes when developing and updating sequences. Let's take a look at how to use it. The sequence version number field is now displayed on the main SoundCheck screen, so it's clear what version you are using. You can edit the sequence versioning information by right-clicking on the version number field, selecting it from the file menu on the main SoundCheck screen, or by using the shortcut key combination Ctrl-Shift-V. This opens the sequence versioning window. Fields are available to show the major and minor change levels along with a comment field. The additional digits after the minor field update automatically each time the sequence is saved. This change history includes the date and time, SoundCheck version, operator name, and hardware key number. While most major changes are automatically tracked, smaller details such as stimulus level, frequency range, and limits are not tracked in the changes field. These can be noted in the comments field. Right-click on the Edit Sequence Version window. Individual comments and the username can be added and edited manually at any time. Similarly, individual entries or all entries can be deleted. The export function allows you to save the history as an XML file. One really neat feature about sequence versioning is the archiving function. This allows you to make iterative sequence copies, backing up your sequence progress as it develops and making it easy to roll back to a prior version if your changes cause major functional issues. To do this, just select Archive from the main file menu anytime you want to save an archive copy. We recommend using this feature when developing and updating sequences.